So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to duplicate a page here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing you have to do is open up a page here on Canva, open up a design. So for this demonstration, I'll just go to the shapes right here. I'm going to add a triangle. I'll move the triangle right up here, just like that. I will add an arrow, just like that. How about I add one more shape? I'll add sort of like a hexagon right here, just like that. So this is my wonderful design for this demonstration. I'll make the background red just like that, and I'll make the shapes black so they're a little bit easier to see. So this is my wonderful design. If you wanted to create a new page, if you go to the bottom here, press on add a page, the background will stay the same color, but the actual page itself will be different. Now, simply just go to the bottom here, press on these three dots to delete it. And as you can probably tell, the duplicate page option is also right here. So for instance, if you wanted to go to the bottom here and duplicate this exact same page, press on the three little dots right here. Go to the top, press on duplicate page, or press on Command D if you're on a Mac. Press on duplicate page right here. And there you go. Your page has now been duplicated. So super duper simple, super straightforward. But that is how to duplicate a page of your design here on Canva using the desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.